Welcome back, everybody. Got a quick upgrade to my Bogen Super Repro Copystand. We're going to change out some lights. So these are some high efficiency LED lights. We're going to be replacing the old incandescent lights. Let me snag one light that's actually burnt out. So this is the light that's currently in there. This one's burned out. You can see the filament sticking here to the side. These get very hot. Makes it kind of uncomfortable working with the copy stand. So let's open these up. Okay, so these are 250 watt equivalent LED lights. And there we have the coiled LED strip that's inside this light. All right, well, let's get that installed. I don't think this works for me. All right, I don't know how well this comes out, but we've replaced all of these with these energy efficient LEDs.
And you can see it's pretty bright. A lot brighter than the other ones.
I think it's about the same brightness, maybe a little less bright, but the funny thing that I'm definitely feeling, do you feel the heat?
No.
Yeah, I'm not cooking anymore. That's the best part of this upgrade. All right. Remember, everybody, to
ask questions and
try things. Have a good one, everybody. It's just a short appendage to the video. One of the lights did come cracked. The box itself obviously dropped and damaged, but it's gonna get replaced on Amazon. So one thing to note, it does stick out past my diffusers about that much, maybe an inch or 2.5 centimeters. So it doesn't seem to be too much of an issue in the limited amount that I've used the copy stand. And just like that, Amazon has sent me replacements for the one bulb. Since it's a 2-pack, I have to do both. For the one bulb that was broken. We'll get this installed and enjoy having these lights now. So this is what I was saying. Sorry for the ugly backdrop, but the bulb is sticking out just a little bit past the reflector housing.
this is kind of one of the things that we can do with this upgrade, as well as with the other one. It just is less hot. Well, bye.